Wheelbarrows are great for using around in your garden because you can move a lot of material in a very short amount of time, and it makes it easy to maneuver. It makes it easy to get into tight spaces with either one of these wheelbarrows. Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi everybody, happy Saturday to you. We hope you are having a great weekend so far. It's day 131 of the Quarantine Gardeners.
If you don't know, that's us, and this is our daily video log of us accomplishing projects around our garden while under quarantine.
And we're so happy you're here today on this Saturday, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on all our daily videos.
So guys, today it's Tool Saturday, Hand Tool Saturday, and we're gonna talk today about wheelbarrows and how useful they are around our garden.
Yeah, we have two different types of wheelbarrows, but there's one that we use predominantly, and we use it for everything.
So guys, here we are. Here's two different wheelbarrows that we use around in our garden. We've got the traditional wheelbarrow with one wheel and then handles in the back. It's got a big base or a basin or tub, if you will, to put material in and do different things with. We've got a second wheelbarrow here. It's more like, I don't know how to really describe this. It's on two wheels and it rolls around. It is a tub, but it's different.
It's almost like a large bucket.
Yeah, right? It's just a different kind of wheelbarrow. This one right here is made by Rubbermaid, just to let you know, give you an idea. This one's made by True Temper. And so for me, this is the wheelbarrow that I prefer. This is what I'm used to using, and so does Allison. And so we really like this wheelbarrow. If we have tight spaces to get into or not a lot of debris or for some other reason we don't want to use this one, we'll use this one and it works well. Sometimes we'll use both in tandem if we have a lot of material to move or spread. And so that's fun to do too. It's always nice to have more than one, right? And so wheelbarrows are great for using around in your garden because you can move a lot of material in a very short amount of time. And it makes it easy to maneuver. It makes it easy to get into tight spaces with either one of these wheelbarrows. And there's other different kinds of wheelbarrows out there too. So it kind of depends on what you need out there. Now for us, we use either of these wheelbarrows, but mainly this one, because we need to move mulch, rock, soil, sand. We need to move things in and out of the garden or move them around. And even large plants. It's good to use these to get large plants out of the ground, put them into these tubs, and then get them to their new location or to a truck or whatever to haul them away. So that's the other thing, hauling debris and different large pieces of wood. These are great for that too. You can get them out of a site and get them into the back of a truck or a dumpster really fast. So they make the work really light and easy.
So like Sean said, our favorite one is the True Temper yellow one over here, but I gotta point this out. This is kind of a cool feature of this. Not only does it have a cup holder, I mean, hello, but it has these little holes that you can actually put hand tools and it kind of organizes for you. You can just take this all over the garden with you and everything's right there. But I've been known to throw tools away by accident, so sometimes I have to be really careful with that if I'm dumping.
It's happened to all of us. And that's, you know, you might not know this, but that happens to a lot of people, and that's usually why the manufacturers put some type of really bright color on their tools. It's to make sure that you can see them when you're out using them and you don't throw them away. But unfortunately, that's happened to me. It's happened to Allison. It's probably happened to you too.
More times than I'd like to admit.
Yeah, so it's okay though, that happens. Just, you know, Allison's right. This is a nice little area right here for tools and different supplies that you might want to bring out with you. So that's nice to have. Also, something to think about, this wheelbarrow is good for both pushing and pulling when you're using it. Have a use for that or need to do that. This wheelbarrow mainly is for picking up and pushing forward. You can go the reversed way if you want, but it's hard to keep things balanced and not tip over when that happens. So you have a lot more control over your load when it's like this with this wheelbarrow.
So those are the main ways that we use our wheelbarrows. We've also had older wheelbarrows that we've used in the garden and planted in them. Like a lot of people like to use them as decorations around the yard, and it's a nice way to repurpose an old wheelbarrow that maybe you don't want to use anymore for, you know, hauling or whatever. You can plant an herb garden in it, or I know a lot of people plant strawberries and different things like that. So
if you end up doing that, which is great to do by the way, if you end up doing that, make sure to drill holes in the bottom of it so the water has somewhere to go. If you don't do that, your plants are literally going to be sitting in water. So something to think about.
Good point.
So guys, leave your comments and questions down below for us. We love hearing from you. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
And that's a wrap for today's Garden Tools Saturday. We hope that was helpful. And if, like Sean said, if you have any questions about wheelbarrows, just let us know. We'll link both of these wheelbarrows down below in case you want to pick one up. We'll be back tomorrow with our Science Sunday. So that's a fun one. So come on back and have a great day ahead.
Have a great day, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.